Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Anish. I'm a hardworking engineering undergrad specializing in electrical engineering. I have completed my courses on problem solving aspects and Python programming. Presently, I'm working as a sponsorship and the collaborations head at Anachronos Technomain Solik, where I have strategically managed meetings with companies like SVF, Autogram, and some more. I also have on-ground experience at the event coordination domain at Anachronos, which required my interpersonal skills. I'm a good listener, and I'm confident about my soft skills, which I believe will be elementary in establishing an effective communication chain with the clients. I'm also an ardent follower of chess, which helps me in strategizing and planning ahead with a different outlook and a new perspective. Thank you. In modern times, we have come across certain debates whether e-learning is better than traditional form of learning. Well, we can't comment on that, but we can surely talk about the advantages of e-learning going ahead. Now let us take the example of Padhai.com. Padhai aims at a balanced, concise, and an accessible form of learning for everyone. And you know what's the best thing about Padhai? Is its friendly website. Because if you're looking out for any course, you can find any and everything just within the reach of one click. Now you may tell me that all this is good, but it sounds a bit costly, right? Let me tell you. You only need to pay once, and that to a minimal amount. And along with that, you're also getting a free demo of the tutorial quick. Over there, you can go and solve any number of problems and get your doubts cleared. Another feature of Padhai.com is that you can get the option of personalized learning within a small or a minimal amount. If you're having problems, getting to learn from an all-access platform, you can have a personalized tutor where all things will be taught to you on a personal basis, and you can get your doubt clear over there. Now, when we're talking about other e-learning platforms like Byju's or Vedantu, Byju's works on an anytime access method, and Vedantu works on an interactive basis. But Padhai.com is the only platform where you're getting both. You're getting anytime access of all the videos of your courses that you have opted for, and along with that, you're also getting the option for, the personalized tutor, which will be helping you a lot. Hence, I believe Padhai.com going forward is the best option for you and your child, and it will definitely show you the right way forward. Thank you. Well, while I can comment on the eligibility of my fellow interns, I can surely tell you why I'm the best fit for this internship. First of all, I'm a good listener, which I believe will help me in my soft skills and establishing an effective communication chain with my clients. And second of all, I have on-ground experience, because when I've worked with Anachronos, I have served as the promotions and the sponsorship head. And over there, I had to talk with a lot of people, and I love interacting with people, which I believe is something which will help me for this internship. So these are the domains which I have managed at Anachronos, and I'm also working as the content editor at BOMconnect, where I have to talk with a lot of guests, starting from Rudranil Ghosh to Shubhashish Mukherjee. All these guests, I have to deal with them, like being in the PR team as well. So I have a lot of experience. I'm sure my fellow interns will have to. But then again, sometimes we need to understand what is the main role of an HR officer. In HR, the best thing that you need to know is communications. And for communications, you need to be a good listener, more than your ability to speak. Because unless you hear, you can't solve a problem. And I guess I have the perk of being a good listener. Hence, I believe I'm a good fit for this job. Thank you. Thank you for the question. I have always loathed transformational and participative leadership, because I believe a captain is as good as his team. While I was serving as the promotions and the sponsorship head at Anachronos, I managed a group of 20 members under the sponsorship domain. I was responsible for the management of the volunteers groups as well, with the students who were responsible for the promotions of Anachronos at a different level. That group was a 60-member group, and that group was also responsible for promotions on social media. I have on-ground experience of dealing with people, as I said, because I love talking to people, interacting with people. And with that, I believe I have the experience and the knowledge of knowing what to do and when to do. Hence, I believe I can manage a team of 20 members and work along with them. Thank you.